it's Lihle again. Welcome back to my journey in learning about how to take care of my car. And today we're going to learn about something very, very important, something we oftentimes don't see, and that is our brakes. Today, Feroda is going to be helping us out regarding our brakes, and they've sent a very familiar face. I'm sure you all remember Custodia. Custodia, how are you today?
I'm good, and nice to see you again.
So my particular car doesn't really have a brake system warning light, so how exactly would I go about checking if my brakes need attention?
Okay, here is your brake fluid reservoir. On your brake fluid reservoir, there is maximum, there is minimum. So suppose that your brake fluid is on minimum, it means that your brake pads are worn.
So the brake fluid tells me that I mustn't top it up, but that my brakes need to be changed. When exactly do I have to top up my brake fluid, or do we not top it up altogether?
Only the mechanic can top up when you flush out your old brake fluid, because you have to, from time to time, flush out your brake fluid. Why? Because number one, of moisture in your brake fluid. Your brake fluid is hydroscopic, so it absorbs the moisture.
Are there any other ways I can use to check if my brakes need to be changed?
The other way is to check your brake pads and to check your disc. So let me show you how you can check it. Check your brake disc and see if there's a blue color. If there's a blue color, it means that your brake disc is bent because of the temperature. So your brake disc will distort, and as you are braking, it will vibrate. And that vibration will pass through the brake pedal, and also you are going to feel that vibration on the pedal. And also you can feel it on the steering wheel as well.
So what can I do to ensure the longevity of my brakes?
Buy products that are of good quality. So you might buy a cheap quality thinking that you are saving your money, but then again, think of this. Your braking system is safety critical system. So you might be putting yourself, your family, and others in danger. Number two is to go to the proper working shop so that they can fit your brake pads the correct way. Number three, also put your brake pads that are designed for your car. Don't interchange them. Number four, no overloading. So if you overload your car, there will be a load transfer to the front brake pads. That will also accelerate the wear on your brake pads because there will be a load transfer. And number five, no harsh braking.
Thank you so much, Custodia, for your wonderful knowledge today. You've really helped me understand my brakes.
It's my pleasure.
I've learned so much today, especially how important it is to find good quality brake parts like Feroda, and I can find them at my nearest Goldwagen.